Well, Uber is facing a massive lawsuit, and I wanted to talk about it. They are now getting sued for over $300 million, and a lot of drivers are actually cashing out on this, so I wanted to talk about that. Now, before I jump in, I wanted to tell you all about an amazing opportunity to make money as a side hustle right here on YouTube. I don't know if you guys know, but I have several YouTube channels where I create and manage them, and they're completely faceless, meaning you don't see my face in a lot of the videos. I, kind of set it up so that they generate me income. I wanted to just show you, I have made this was in this year so far on one of my YouTube channels. Again, I have several, but this is one YouTube channel where I've brought in over $50,000, if it focuses. Please focus. Over 50K this year, just so far. And then if you go to 2023, over $100,000 from one, again, this is just one YouTube channel. Wow, I don't know why it's not focusing. I guess it's early. And that's allowed me to buy my dream house, buy my house here in Southern California, doing YouTube, TikTok. These are my main sources of income. So if you want to learn how to set up a faceless YouTube channel and how you can start making money on YouTube, I set up a tutorial. It's like a 55-minute video breaking down everything, all of my strategies, and entirely how to set. Basically, anybody can do this, guys. And you don't need a lot of money to start. Well, you don't really technically need any money to start. But it does help if you have a little bit of money. I talk about that in there. Not to pay me, but to pay anyways, you'll see. And then the other thing is, you don't need to show your face. You don't need an experience or following on social media, right? You can create a brand new account. So I'd love to see you down there. I've actually had taught one of my friends how to do it, and she started making $40,000 per month, at maybe even more, $50,000 per month. So check the link below. The first 100 members get that membership for free, free trial, and then you can join the group chat and get access to all the videos. Okay, look at this. Uber is being sued for over $300 million by thousands of London's iconic black cab drivers. Yeah, this is what it is. So I don't know if you guys are aware, but in London, this is part of the culture, London black cab drivers. This is part of the culture in London, and they are extremely pissed with Uber because Uber's taking over. Uber's being sued by thousands of London cab drivers over claims that it operated illegally. Wow, it's 7:30 a.m. and I'm already drinking a Celsius. The lawsuit could ultimately be worth over 250 million euros or 313 million bucks, law firm Mishcon de Raya said. Uber has dismissed the claims made in the lawsuit as completely unfounded. Of course, Uber has. Uber knew this, so over 10,000 London taxi drivers could be getting a massive payout. So what do you guys think about this? The lawsuit alleges Uber misled authorities to get its license to operate in the British capital, and that it intended to gain market share unlawfully, taking business away from the existing black cabs, which have become an icon of the city. So if you've ever been to London, let me know if you've ever seen any of these black cabs, which apparently are iconic. And because I've never been there, so I wouldn't know, but I've seen it in movies and stuff. And it's like, yeah, I mean, to be fair, Uber does have bad practices. I wouldn't be surprised if they did try to cheat their way to get in and move regulation around. I mean, we saw what happened with California AB5. The California government wanted to step in, so Uber would have to pay drivers W-2, benefits, overtime, sick paid leave, all this stuff. Because the California government was like, we have so many drivers who are driving 50, 60, 70 hours a week, and they're not getting any benefits. And they're like, we don't want a society that functions this way. And what did Uber do? What did Lyft do? What did DoorDash do? They spent millions and millions and millions of dollars trying to persuade the public to vote to keep drivers independent. And in the end of all, Uber got away with it. And drivers are still 1099 contract workers working 84 hours a week with no overtime pay, no benefits, no paid sick leave. They're slaving away. And I feel bad. So if you're stuck, if you feel stuck driving Uber, or you feel stuck in the gig economy, try out one of these new ways to make money, like on TikTok or on YouTube. I have 2 courses right now that you could easily start and learn from, and you can get a free trial, no risk, no obligation. Join the group chat, learn from other people. I mean, that's how I became successful, was by learning from others, asking, not being ashamed to ask. I remember at the very beginning when I first started doing YouTube, I would tell everybody I knew, hey, what do you think about this channel that I'm building? Can you give me an idea? And you know what? One of my professors at UC Berkeley, he actually gave me the idea of the Faceless YouTube channel. It's funny, I was literally asking one of them, and I said, hey, I'm making this YouTube channel, what do you think about it? He goes, hire out other people to make videos for you. That's literally what he said. And I go, really? He goes, yes. He's like, that way you can scale, because you can't do it all on your own. And I go, wow, that's actually super interesting. And the next week or 2, I started to do that. And I started making faceless videos, meaning you don't see my face on it. And anyways, if you want to learn how to do the Faceless YouTube channel method, link below. Again, get your free trial. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience at all. In my opinion, my friends, doing YouTube is one of the best ways that you can make a lot of money and actually achieve financial freedom like myself. The house I'm sitting in right now, I bought from money from YouTube. It's crazy, guys. I grew up in a very low income. I mean, we're under the poverty line, a single parent household. Neither parents ever owned a home. Neither parents ever got a bachelor's degree. They got associate's degrees. We were paycheck to paycheck, getting food from the food pantry. Not very often, because it's a long story, but we didn't really like to go to the food pantry because the food there is not that good. But anyways, I would go there sometimes because I was like, it's free food. Anyways, if you want to learn how to do the YouTube Faceless YouTube channel method, check out the link below, guys. I'm serious. Like, I've been there. I've been stuck. I've been in credit card debt. I know what it's like to work 6, 7 different jobs at a time. But yeah, let me know. Hopefully some of these London iconic black cab drivers, I honestly, I'm on their side. I'm not on Uber's side on this one. Usually I like Uber and I like the new economy, but for this one, I hope that London is able to keep the black cab drivers. Like, that's a cool thing. Like, we need to keep part of our history. I know we're all about innovation and stuff, but it's like, those taxi cab drivers look legit. Like, that's London. This is history, and Uber comes in and mistreats their drivers. I don't know. That's just my thoughts, but maybe you disagree with me. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.